Homelessness is increasing all across BC and all across the province, and I think addressing that issue is one of the biggest policy and social challenges of our time. The biggest thing for bringing people together is to make the time to understand where those people are coming from.
Zach had to come in and really work with the leadership in the ministry and in other ministries and come up with the sort of operational reality of how complex care was going to work.
I know it's more of BC Housing's world, but I think we're going to learn alongside them in a really positive way. Complex care housing is a new type of housing that's really seeing health services and housing come together in a way they haven't before.
Hey folks.
It's really intended to support people who have had a challenge maintaining their housing, either due to mental health challenges, substance use challenges, or other health issues.
Complex care housing is a really exciting program because it's across ministries.
It's complex, it involves new ways of working together, but it's been really exciting. I worked in supportive housing, in community, doing outreach, doing case management with people, connecting them to services, and I hope that my experiences inform my day-to-day work, and I like to think that I approach policy and approach provincial problems from a really pragmatic place.
You know, sometimes when we're going to communities, we have to ask probing questions, and Zach's able to do that, to find out what the barriers are and how to move forward with solutions.
Every time I do a visit like this, it's a great chance to connect with people that do this work every day and hear about what could change for the better.
It takes a lot of confidence for somebody to come in and have those kinds of conversations. We tell people to be courageous and we tell people to, be transparent and be open, but he actually demonstrates it to me. Like, he actually does it.
That's a lot of our folks.
Awesome. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I spend a lot of time in this community, whether it's going to coffee shops, going to the farmers markets, just being out and about with friends. Being a good leader means supporting everybody in their role, helping them to work from a place of strength rather than just sort of assigning work. I think it's also about creating an environment where there's an energy and a willingness to go forward, despite the fact that the work we do every day is really complicated.
I think he's a natural innovator. He's got his own style.
He always acknowledges the great gifts that each of the partners bring.
We get some really great feedback on how much people enjoy working with Zach, from external stakeholders, internal partners. What it builds is it builds confidence in the program.
Going from being a frontline provider in supportive housing to help provincially plan a whole new way of providing housing that has supports has been a really great journey.
I think he embodies what we want in the public service as our future leadership.